Looking for a hassle-free way to keep your smartphone visible and secure while driving? The Topeak Ride Case car mount offers tool-free installation on your windshield with a powerful suction cup, making it a convenient companion for any ride case user. Designed specifically to work with Topeak Ride Case and phone dry bags, this mount lets you adjust the angle easily. Whether you prefer landscape or portrait view, the 360-degree rotation and pivoting arm give you full control over your phone's position, improving visibility and safety on the road. Weighing just 100 grams, the Ride Case car mount is lightweight yet sturdy. Its build quality matches the reliability of the ride case itself, ensuring your device stays put during every trip. The suction cup locks firmly onto the windshield, so you won't have to worry about it slipping or falling. One satisfied user shared that this mount brings the practicality of the ride case from bike rides to car journeys. The swivel feature and locking pivot arm make it easy to customize your setup, while the solid construction provides peace of mind for everyday use. After months of hesitation, many have found themselves wondering why they didn't get this mount sooner. It's a seamless extension of the ride case experience, perfect for anyone who wants to keep their phone accessible and secure while driving. If you rely on your ride case-equipped phone for navigation, music, or calls, this car mount is worth a look. It enhances your driving experience without clutter or complicated setup, offering a smart, flexible solution for your in-car needs. Ready to upgrade your ride? The Topeak Ride Case car mount combines ease, durability, and versatility in one compact package. Try it when you're ready to make your smartphone setup safer and more convenient behind the wheel.